Okay, so now we can click OK. Well 1 is ready. Go to well 2. Go to IPR layer. Still, layer 1 is invalid. Okay. IPR type CNN 0.00319334 with N 0.995. Okay. And then the layer pressure 5,300, layer type 166, condensate gravity 67, gas gravity 0.77, condensate gas ratio 22.2, water gas ratio 1. Okay. Layer type, yeah, gas. Okay. More relative permeability from tank model, from MBAL. Grid view automatically populated with data we have provided in IPR layer section. Okay, IPR is okay. Now VLP, let's try generate again. Generate. Oh, still errors. That's okay. Click OK. Now we click browse. Tag well to VLP. Open. All right. Validate. Okay. Click OK. Well 2 is ready. We do that also for well 3. Go to IPR layer. Okay. CNN. C is 0.00932. This is 0.957. 5,300. 166. 67, 0.77, condensate ratio 0.2, WGR1. Okay. And then more, use tank model, grid view already populated. VLP, let's try again. Data, if you have. Okay, if not, click OK, OK, or close. Generate. Still errors. So again, we need to browse with and take the already prepared VLP file. Okay, click browse. Take well 3 VLP. Okay, validate. Okay. What if we check plot? Nothing here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, we can generate the VLP plot actually. Yeah, because we already have the VLP, right? TPD plot. So this is our VLP, pressure against the flow rate. Okay. The temperature. Okay. C factor. Mixture velocity. Erosional velocity, right? Maximum grain diameter. Interesting. Turner velocity. Okay. For liquid loading, right? Erosion flag. Turner flag. Erosion rate. Corrosion rate. Okay. Yeah. If you want to do calculation, yeah, you can calculate here. Let's say water gas ratio 10, just to check it. Water gas ratio 22.2, condensate gas ratio 0, manifold pressure 1000. What happened? Click calculate. Yeah, and the other will be calculated. So this is the flowing bottom hole pressure will be calculated, flowing wellhead temperature, C factor, Turner velocity that is happening, Turner velocity. This is the critical velocity that is required in order to avoid liquid loading. That's the meaning of Turner velocity, this velocity. And others, Turner flag, erosion rate, corrosion rate, okay? So you can do the sensitivity, you can just try the flow rate, WGR, condensate gas ratio, or I think this should be 1, and condensate gas ratio is 22.2. Calculate, okay? All right, so far so good. And of course you can plot there, okay? And you can check the Turner flag, either you are safe or you are not, okay? Gas rate and Turner flag, or I mean Turner velocity, I should do instead. Turner velocity, this one. Yeah, okay. All right, so now you can close, click OK. Results, not yet. Click OK. And lastly, well full. Go to summary, input, IPR, IPR layer. Okay, don't forget well full. Okay, lastly, this is CNN 0.0562. This is 0.842, and then 67, 0.77, 22.2, water gas ratio of 1, more, the relative permeability from tank model, grid view, already populated. Oh, not yet, the layer pressure, 5,300 and 166. Everything changed to green colors. And again, lastly, the VLP, try generate, still not yet. Okay, still errors. Okay, so we will use the already prepared file. Click browse, choose well full, validate. Again, if you want to plot, all right. Okay, so we can close. Okay, so now we are actually ready to operate and to run the model. We can try once again, generate. Either we want to generate IPRs, but we already have that. Okay, let's check generate well VLPs. All, generate. Let's check it out. Yeah, still errors. So we will use the already prepared VLP files. Okay, so now check again the separator constraint. Okay,